Nandito kami sa ice cream. Patry daw ng ibang experience. Sabi nila.
Baskin and Robbins.
Baskin and Robbins. Bibili po kami ng ice cream kasi katatapos namin kumain. So, ayan.
Magas ka, panghimagas.
Panghamagas daw. Baskin and Robbins.
Sarap dito, Tio.
Ayoko yan, Ki.
Sa ano, ice cream yan eh.
Ayan yung flavor nila ng mga ice cream.
Ayan, ice cream.
Fresh na lang.
Not enough butter, right? Finish, no stop.
Binaliktad lang yung...
Ayan ang ice cream namin. Ito, mauubos na yung ice cream nito.
Lagi na din na nagtitaste. Ganito guys, pag kumain kayo ng ice cream, ganito. Yan.
Harap ng flavor ng ice cream, guys. Oh, kita. Mango and buko. Sarap pala to. Dito sa kami sa Baskin Robbins.
Sometimes it happens also in our shop like this. Then we look for the customer. Yeah, I run. Sometimes 200. I run. I'm just running for the customer. What is it? But happily I don't show them. Just 200 is a big But our madam, one time, right, they didn't get charged. But to make it 2 times 3.
Kasi alam nila yan eh.
So sometimes some customer, if they do like that, they do like that.
Sister, nasan yung ice cream mo? Sister, ice cream mo. Ayan, ice cream, ice cream. Kain kami ng ice cream.
Paano ko kaya